Today's adventure starts at the fire station, but this time Adam and Blaze aren't rushing to a fire.
We're hopping on the train for a special trip full of action!
That's right, Blaze. Let's teach our friends some awesome action verbs while we ride.
Hop on the train, don't be late. Jump, skip, wiggle, and wave. The action train is leaving now, so move with us. Here's how.
Look at the trees go by. Let's do some train-tastic moves.
Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Twirl around right in your seat. Stretch up high, then duck down low. We're going fast. Let's go, go, go.
We're crossing a tall bridge. Let's pretend we're building it together.
Lift the bricks and push them tight. Pull the rope with all your might. Build it strong from end to end. Action verbs are here, my friend.
We made it. That was one action-packed ride.
Can you remember all the action words we used today?
Jump and clap, twirl and run, stretch and build. We had fun. Words that move and help you play. Learn with us the Blaze way.
Blaze and Adam love learning on the go. And now it's your turn to move. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures with Blaze the talking Firetruck and Adam the Firefighter.